you at, Dan? 1.5. 1.5, now 75. Oh, 1.5, now 75. There's 70. 175. 175, now 200. 200, now 2.25. Not 2.25. 2.25, now half. 2.25, now half. What do you bet I have? Not 2.25 now. Not 2.25 now half. What do you bet I have? Not 2.25 now half. 2.25 now half. We all in? Half. Where's he at? Somebody whistling? All in? All done? So 275. What's your number? 2004 Volkswagen Beetle. We've got the title. We've got the title. You walk with the title today. What's wrong with it? It's on the forklift. That's what's wrong with it. Some people just give us the title. Some people don't even have the key. Some people don't even have the key. What are you gonna say? 200 now 2.25. 200 now 2.25. 2.25. 200 now 2.25. So 2.5. 502. 502. 37. Looks like a Nissan Altima. It's a 99 Nissan Altima. 99 Nissan Altima. Somebody giving up 500. Sold 3.25. 34.67. 34.67. Infinity. Not picked up from the last sale. 2005 Infinity FX 35. 2005 FX 35. Not picked up from the last sale. Salvage sold 8.5. 420. 420. 11. Yo 11. 2005 Chevy Equinox. 200 on the key. The smoke is free. The smoke is free. It smells. It can smell great. It's free. Auction car right there. Okay. We look all the time. We look all the time. 36. 36. It's a Nissan Quest. Sold $200. 5. 45. 2002 Toyota Camry. 2002 Toyota Camry. Salvage on the title. Salvage on the title. Where are we at? Somebody giving up 500. Sold 475. 420. 420. Hope he brought the Brinks truck today. '99 Honda Accord. I drove one of these for a little while. '99 Honda Accord. Look at the lips on the tank.
Sold the Honda for $475.
'2002 Ford Explorer. 2002 Ford Explorer. 502. 502.
$400.
2007 Chrysler 300. 2007 Chrysler 300. 200 on the key. Where are we at? Somebody giving up 500. Go, $300. 502. 502.
Ain't knocking though.
Looks like a Toyota Sienna. What year? 98 Toyota Sienna. It's a grocery getter. You can push it down the street to get those groceries. 03 Caddy CTS. 03 Caddy CTS. 200 on the key. Those rims all the way around. Yeah, yeah. Now 400. 400. Now 4.25. 400. Now 4.25. 4.25. Now 4.25. Now half. 4.25. Now half. What do you bet a half? Now 4.25. Now half. 5. 675, 6.5, 675, now 700, 700, now 7 1/4, 7 1/4 half, 7 1/4 now half, what do you bet a half, 7 1/4 now half, 7 1/4 now half, we all in, all done, 7.5, 7.5, now 775, 7.5, now 775, what did 775, 7.5, now 770.
I almost had it. I had it at like 750. $100 short.
$2,005 Chevy Malibu, where are we at? 200 now, 2 1/4. 200 now, 2 1/4, 2 1/4. 200 now, 2 1/4, 2 1/4 now half. 2 1/4 now half, what do you bet a half? 2 1/4 now half.
$525. 243,000 miles.
$42. There might be $1 million in that trunk and we don't know it. You might have just scored and we don't have a clue. Nope. 01 Pontiac Grand Am, it says it's a GT. 01 Pontiac Grand Am GT. It's supposed to be fast. As fast as it can go is about as fast as the forklift can pull it. 1.5, now 75, we all in? All done? Sold, 1.5. Number one's an Acura TL. Acura TL, it's salvage on the title. Acura TL, it's salvage on the title. Sold, 3.5, 502. 502.
$502.
41. 2000 Toyota Corolla. All done? Sold, 275, number 34. Looks like a Mazda. 09 Mazda 3. 09 Mazda 3.
Súper especial para velocidades.
The Valley Coach Company. Van Nuys, California. I used to live around there.
Stick shit.
Los asistentes, con los peores. No sabemos ya a cuál ir, la verdad.
07 Volkswagen Jetta. 07 Volkswagen Jetta, 200 on the key. Sold, 775, number 13's an 06 Chevy Cobalt. 06 Chevy Cobalt. What does that say? When someone... Sold, 3.5, 502. All done? Sold, 1,100. 34.62. 34.62. 03 Honda Accord, we've got the title. 03 Honda Accord, we've got the title. If you got some baby oil at home, yeah, baby would look good. Throw some baby oil on that hood. 6 1/4 half, 6.5, now 75, 675, now 700, 675, now 7, what do you bet 7? 675, now 7, 670, you're out, 675, now 7, all in, 700, 700, now 7 1/4, 700, now 7 1/4, 7 1/4, now half, sold, 8 1/4, 34, 34, 34, 34, you gotta get it up before I say sold.
147,000 miles.
Make sure you get your number up before I say sold. Once it's sold, it is sold. Grand Cherokee. 98 Grand Cherokee. 98 Grand Cherokee. Where are we at? 07 Land Rover. 07 Land Rover. It's really quiet. It's really quiet. No smoke, nothing. Nothing. It's better than a Tesla. Zero emissions. It's run its last range. Alrighty. O2 Buick Regal, where are we at? 200. 200 now, 2 1/4. 200 now, 2 1/4, 2 1/4. 200 now, 2 1/4, 2 1/4. 34, 45. 34, 45.
$450.
33.
Oh, sí, ya la miraste.
Ya la vi, está quebradiza.
Oh, entonces.
Entonces, no un poquito.
So, $500.
Se ve como por
Number.
$600.
34, 45.
Creo que lo agarró.
34, 45.
No sé, lo agarró.
2013 Ford Fiesta. It's a Fiesta. 2013, little kiss on this side. Little kiss. Little kiss. Check it out, take a look, take a peek, peek at you.
Shock tower pit.
So, 1,700, 34.79, the sneaky one bid. 3 GMC Sierra, 93 GMC Sierra. Oh, you get some free parts in the back. All done. So, 2.5. 02 Caddy DeVille, salvage on the title. 02 Caddy DeVille, salvage on the title. So, $200. 502. Oh, this is a 4Runner. 99 Toyota 4Runner. 99 Toyota 4Runner. It's got a tow package. It's got a nice rack on it. It's a Mercedes. 35. So, $200. 502. 502. 05 Ford 500. 05 Ford 500. I guess this can count as one more. Pink glass butter wheel. So, $200. 502. Oh, 05 Chrysler Pacifica. 05 Chrysler Pacifica. All done? So, 775. 17. It's a 99 Ford Expedition. 99 Ford Expedition. Where are we at? Something at 500.
99 Ford Expedition.
300. '06 Chevy Aveo. 06 Chevy Aveo.
52 fake out.
Hey, that's funny.
Check it out. Take a look. Take a peek. Peek at you.
They almost got you.
Yeah, almost, right?
800 now 8 1/4. We all in? All done? So $800. What's your Lexus?
Lexus, dos válvulas.
03 Lexus.
Juan Aguilar pregunta en cuánto se fue el camión.
03 Lexus. Smoky. It's a smoking deal. Because that smoke is free.
¿Cuántas millas trae?
Where are we at? 200 now 2 1/4. 200 now 2 1/4. 2 1/4. 2 1/4 now half. 2.5 now 75. 2.5 275 now 300. 275 300. 300 now 3 1/4. 300 now 3 1/4. 3 1/4. 300 now 3 1/4. 300 now 3 1/4. We all in? 34.62.
$475 for a Lexus. It's a deal, but it's nothing.
It's a Lincoln. It's an MKS. MKZ or an MKS? MKS. It's the sporty model. It's the sporty model. All done? So 2100. 3449. 3449.
Esa sí. Aquella también.
O2 Honda CRV.
Con aquella no necesita.
O2 Honda CRV.
Alrighty guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you are a subscriber already, don't hesitate to hit that share button and get me on your community post. Man, I greatly appreciate it. You guys seen me bidded on a couple cars today. We actually tried to bid on the Infiniti, that black Honda, and we actually almost won that Cadillac with all the rims, which all the rims were the same. We actually almost won it. We had it at $750, and literally at the wire, the guy came and freaking bid it more. So I was like, I was at the wire already, then he just came and knocked me off. But as always, guys, you know, there's always going to be more. So until next time, guys, be easy, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.